Hello, all you beautiful people. How you doing here today? This is Love Temptress, and welcome back to the Gaming Dynasty channel. Or if you're new here, welcome. Hi. So today I'm coming back at you with another humble bundle. This one just came out today. It is Coding Cookbooks by O'Reilly. Now, normally I break down the prices and everything for you. However, this one's a little bit different. So I can't exactly tell you if their $793 value is accurate. And I just want to be upfront about that because I try to always bring you the best information. So I can't give you an absolute total, but I can tell you other ways that you could check out these books if you would like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the different tiers of the bundle for you. And you'll just have to tell me what you think. All right, as always, this one supports a charity. So this one is Code for America, which they actually support quite a bit with their coding bundles. And of course, you can adjust your donations by default, extra to charity, or go down and move it here. Along with, if it says lava there because you used my thing and you don't want to support me for any reason, no judgment, you can actually just slide it down. Simple as that. So I know a lot of people get confused about that. So you don't even have to do that. Or if you want, you can go straight to humblebundle.com instead of using my links down below, and you can get all your bundles there too. So either way, hope you enjoy this. All right, so obviously this one is your recipe to programming success. Looking to learn a new coding language or solve a tricky programming problem? Follow the guidance in O'Reilly's popular cookbook series, filled with straightforward recipes that provide practical solutions to real-world problems. Learn techniques for Java, C#, Unity, and lots more. And support Code for America with your purchase. This one's only been out today, and it already has over 1,000 copies already sold, so you know it's going to be popular. Also, the books come in PDF, EPUB, and MOBI files, so that way you can use them across all your different devices, which is always awesome. I love it when they do that. All right, so first of all, we have the 3-item bundle, and it is just $1. So what do you get with that? You get the Bash Cookbook, which is a 2nd edition, and it is solutions and examples for Bash users. Then we have Docker Cookbook, solutions and examples for building distributed applications. Pardon me, I can't talk today. And then we have Regular Expressions Cookbook. This is a 2nd edition, and it has detailed solutions in 8 programming languages, which is pretty cool. So you get all of that for just $1. Next up, we have the 10-item bundle, which is $10 for 10 items, which is pretty cool, right? So first of all, we have our cookbook. It's proven recipes and data analysis, statistics, and graphics. It is a 2nd edition. Then we have Deep Learning Cookbook. It is practical recipes to get started quickly. Next, we have the Kotlin Cookbook. It's a problem-focused approach. Next, we have Machine Learning with Python Cookbook. It is a practical solutions from processing to deep learning. Next up is Python Cookbook. It is a 3rd edition, and it has recipes for mastering Python 3. Next, we have Concurrency in C# Cookbook. Yeah, I'm probably going to screw up this word. Asynchrone chronomes. Yep. Parallel and multi-threaded programming. My apologies on that one. That was just one of those tricky words. So, next we have Unity Game Development Cookbook. It is essentials for every game. And then you will see the 3 from the first tier. So, the last tier in this bundle is $18, and you get a total of 15 different items, which of course includes the ones from before. So first of all, we have the React Cookbook. It is recipes for mastering the React framework. And then we have the Java Cookbook, which is a 4th edition, and it's problems and solutions for Java developers. Now, what I did find out for you is, hold on, hold on. Anyway, moving on. The next book is Powershell Cookbook, your complete guide to scripting the ubiquitous object-based shell. It is a 4th edition. Then we have Raspberry Pi Cookbook. It is a 3rd edition, and it's software and hardware problems and solutions. And then the last book, new book to this bundle, is JavaScript Cookbook. It is a 3rd edition, and it's for programming the web. All right, so again, here's what I was able to find out, and you can find this out simply by clicking on any of these. Also, you can also get a PDF preview of any of the books. So if you want to check that out, it always comes in pretty handy, right? All right, so if you click on O'Reilly, it takes you straight to the O'Reilly site. Here's the thing. They actually have a 10-day free trial. So this is why it was hard for me to judge the price, because O'Reilly has a subscription-based program. You can read any and all of their books for $49 a month. That is based off the individual price. And if you go to try it free, you can see it is 10 days, but it will tell you right here afterwards the plans start at just $49 a month. Obviously, the longer duration, you can save more. But if you wanted to do it on a monthly basis, it would be $49 a month. So here is my opinion. And if you guys are new here and you're not familiar with me, I am a humble partner. However, I will always give you my honest to goodness feedback on every single bundle, including another one I did today. The valuation was way off. So yeah, I will always be honest with you. Okay, but here's the thing. As great as the O'Reilly subscription-based program is, for this, if it is something that you're going to need long-term, like if this is something you're trying to learn, something you need to refresh for whatever you're working on, whatever it is, I am a big believer in paying a set price, in this case $18 for 15 books. I am a big believer for paying a set price and getting stuff that you can keep forever. So if you needed a book that you're going to come back to constantly, then I would recommend getting the bundle. Now, if it's something you just need to go quickly look up, or if you need to check out a whole bunch of different ones, maybe going to O'Reilly and doing their monthly plan would be something that you need to look into. But this is a pretty good deal for $18. You don't get everything O'Reilly has, of course, but you also don't pay their hefty monthly price. So if you're looking at doing the O'Reilly, I highly suggest at least do the trial. See if it's even something you're interested in. But I love being able to purchase something, that way it's forever mine, versus paying a subscription. So even if I have it in the subscription, if it's something I'm going to constantly use, I would do this. Now, for me, this is not one that I'm probably going to purchase because I am just not looking at doing any coding stuff right now. I am way too busy for that, and some of these aren't even the type of coding that I would be looking into. So for me, this is not a bundle I would purchase, but if this is a bundle of stuff that you are going to need, want to learn, any of that, then I think you should pick it up. But let me know down below. Not every bundle is going to be a winner. What do you think of this bundle? I would love to hear your feedback. And I apologize again. Apparently, I am all tongue-tied and cannot talk worth a darn tonight. All right, but that is all I have for you today. Hopefully you have enjoyed and this helped maybe a little bit. So let me know. Until next time, this is Love and Temptress. Don't get burned.